Hello, my amazing friends. Today I am here to tell you something that will change your life. Listen to me carefully. Confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is not a gift that only some people have. You can become confident, and you can do it faster than you think. I know many of you feel nervous in social situations. You doubt yourself, you hold back, and sometimes you don't even try because you are afraid of failure. Maybe you have been wanting to change for years. But when the time comes to take action, you feel like your courage disappears. You know what you want to do. You understand that confidence would help you, but when you have to step forward, you freeze. I understand this because I've also struggled with low self-esteem. I know how it feels when you want to achieve something, but you don't have the courage. I know how frustrating it is when confident people seem to succeed so easily, and you can't understand how they do it. But today I want to tell you, you don't have to struggle anymore. You don't have to feel small, because I will teach you how to build confidence in the easiest and most natural way. From today, I want you to forget everything that made you feel unworthy. Forget about past failures. Forget about trying to be someone else. Forget about fear, because the biggest reason people fail to become confident is not a lack of ability. It is fear. Fear of rejection, fear of embarrassment, fear of being judged. But let me ask you a question. How did confident people become confident? Were they born that way? Did they wake up one day with perfect self-esteem? No, they built it through practice, through facing fears, through making mistakes, and through believing in themselves every single day. This is exactly how you're going to build confidence. You don't need to wait for confidence to come to you. You need to create it yourself. Confidence should not be something you hope for someday. It should be something you work on every single day. You should practice it, think with it, and live it every moment. Now I know what you are thinking, but how do I do that? Don't worry, I will tell you everything in detail. I will not just give you tips. I will take you on a journey where confidence will become natural for you. So let's begin. Step 1. Stop thinking that you are not good enough. The first and most important thing is to change your mindset. If you believe that you are not good enough, your brain will always find evidence to prove it. But if you start believing that you are worthy, you will act with much more courage. Think about a child learning to ride a bicycle. The child falls many times, but does he believe he is not good enough? No. He gets up and tries again, and after some time he starts riding without any fear. This is exactly how building confidence works. Failures are a part of growth. If you are not failing, you are not trying. I want you to say this with me. I am worthy, I am capable, I am becoming more confident every day. These words are very powerful. The more you say them, the more your brain will believe them. From today, never say I am not confident. Never say I cannot do it. Instead, say I am learning and growing every day. This small change in your thinking will make a big difference in your life. Step 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Now that you have changed your mindset, the next step is to bring positive energy into your daily life. Many people think they need special circumstances to become confident, but this is not true. You can create a confident environment wherever you are. The first thing you should do is change what you consume. Stop watching content that makes you feel bad about yourself. Stop comparing yourself to others on social media. Instead, watch motivational videos, read inspiring books, and listen to uplifting podcasts. Next, you should start using positive self-talk. Right now, you probably criticize yourself when you make mistakes. This destroys confidence. Instead, start encouraging yourself with kind words. For example, when you wake up, instead of thinking, I don't want to face today, think today is going to be a good day. I will do my best. When you make a mistake, think everyone makes mistakes. This is how I learn. When something good happens, think I deserve this. I worked for this. At first, it will feel strange, but the more you do it, the more natural it will become. After some time, confidence will start growing in you automatically. Another great way to surround yourself with positivity is by celebrating small wins. Yes, you heard me right. Celebrate every small achievement. Did you speak up in a meeting? Celebrate it. Did you try something new? Celebrate it. Did you make it through a difficult day? Celebrate it. This might feel unnecessary at first, but trust me, it is one of the best ways to build confidence. When you celebrate small wins, you are training your brain to recognize your progress. And the more progress you see, the more confident you will become. Step 3. Stop waiting to feel ready. Many people believe that they need to feel confident before they take action. This is a big mistake. If you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. Instead, you should take action first and confidence will follow. Think about how actors perform on stage. They don't wait until fear disappears. They feel the fear and perform anyway. And the more they perform, the more confident they become naturally. This is exactly how you should approach life. Instead of waiting for confidence, focus on taking small actions. For example, instead of thinking I need to be confident before I apply for that job, just apply. I will speak up when I feel confident, just speak up. I will try when I am ready, just try now. If you keep taking action despite fear, confidence will grow naturally. The key is to act more and worry less. Take action even when you feel scared. When you face a challenge, don't run from it, embrace it, say it out loud. Now that you understand how to change your mindset, surround yourself with positivity, and take action, let's go even deeper. Now, I am going to show you how to build confidence in your daily life. Building confidence through daily actions. Many people struggle with confidence because they don't practice it regularly. But let me tell you something, you already have confidence inside you, you just need to activate it. Think about your daily routine. You wake up, get ready, eat breakfast, go to work or school, talk to people, face challenges, and at night you rest. Every single thing you do in your life is an opportunity to practice confidence. Morning confidence routine. When you wake up, don't just start your day passively. Start building confidence immediately. For example, as soon as you wake up, you can say out loud, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day. I am ready for whatever comes. I believe in myself." When you look in the mirror, don't criticize your appearance. Instead, say, "I look good. I am enough just as I am." When you get dressed, say, "I choose to feel confident today. I am presenting my best self to the world." Even if you don't believe these words at first, say them anyway. Your brain will start to believe what you repeatedly tell it. Practicing confidence in conversations. Now let's move on to real interactions. Imagine you are talking to a colleague at work. This is how you can practice confidence. Instead of avoiding eye contact, look them in the eye. Instead of speaking quietly, speak clearly and at a normal volume. Instead of apologizing unnecessarily, state what you need directly. For example, weak communication sounds like, sorry to bother you, but I was wondering if maybe you could possibly help me with something if you're not too busy. Confident communication sounds like, "Hi, do you have a few minutes? I need your help with something." This is a simple change that makes a big difference. You don't need to be aggressive, just be clear and direct. Building confidence through body language. Your body language affects how you feel and how others perceive you. If you want to feel confident, start acting confident physically. Here's what confident body language looks like. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. Walk with purpose, not rushed but steady. Keep your head up, not looking at the ground. Take up space, don't make yourself small. Smile when appropriate. Use hand gestures when you speak. Practice this every day. Even if you don't feel confident inside, your body language will help create that feeling. Facing fears gradually. Confidence grows when you face your fears, but you don't have to face everything at once. Start small and build up. For example, if you're afraid of public speaking, start by speaking up in small group meetings, then present to a larger group, then give a formal presentation. If you're afraid of rejection, start by asking for small things, then work up to bigger requests. The key is consistent practice, not perfection. How to handle criticism and setbacks. One of the biggest confidence killers is criticism and failure, but confident people don't avoid criticism, they learn from it. When someone criticizes you, don't immediately think I'm not good enough. Instead, ask yourself, is there truth in this feedback? Can I learn from this? If yes, use it to improve. If no, let it go. When you fail at something, don't say I'm a failure. Instead, say this attempt didn't work. What can I learn? What will I do differently next time? This mindset shift is powerful. It transforms obstacles into opportunities. Speaking to yourself like a friend. Many people are their own worst critics. They say things to themselves they would never say to a friend. If you want to build confidence, you must change this. Start treating yourself with the same kindness you show others. For example, if your friend made a mistake, you wouldn't say you're so stupid, you'll never succeed. You would say it's okay, everyone makes mistakes. You'll do better next time. Give yourself the same compassion. Every day, speak to yourself with encouragement, not criticism. The Daily Confidence Challenge. If you want to transform your confidence, I challenge you to do this every single day for 30 days. Morning, say 3 positive affirmations out loud. Stand in a confident posture for 2 minutes. Set one small goal for the day. Throughout the day, make eye contact in conversations. Speak up at least once in a group setting. Do one thing that scares you, even if it's small. Evening, write down 3 things you did well today. Reflect on one thing you learned from a challenge. Prepare your affirmations for tomorrow. If you follow this plan every day, your confidence will grow automatically. The power of visualization. Confident people visualize success before it happens. This trains the brain to believe achievement is possible. Every day, spend 5 minutes visualizing yourself acting confidently. For example, if you have a job interview coming up, close your eyes and imagine yourself walking into the room confidently, shaking hands firmly, answering questions clearly, and leaving with a positive feeling. This mental rehearsal makes the real situation feel more familiar and less scary. Surrounding yourself with confident people. You become like the people you spend time with. If you surround yourself with negative, doubtful people, you will absorb that energy. But if you spend time with confident, supportive people, their confidence will influence you. Choose your circle wisely. Spend time with people who believe in you, encourage you, and challenge you to grow. Remember this always. My amazing friends, you have now learned everything you need to build unstoppable confidence. Let me remind you of something very powerful. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about believing in yourself despite imperfections. The only thing stopping you is the story you tell yourself, but now you know how to change that story. If you want to be successful in life, building confidence will open thousands of doors for you. It will help you pursue your dreams, build better relationships, speak your truth, and live authentically. But most importantly, it will help you become the person you were always meant to be. So never stop growing. Even if some days feel difficult, even if people doubt you, never give up on yourself. You have everything you need inside you already. Now it's time to go and practice. Act confidently, think positively, speak kindly to yourself every single day. And remember, perfection doesn't matter, progress matters. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your confidence journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and one day you will be so confident that nothing can shake you. Let's do this together. I am with you on this journey and I will always support you. Now go out there and start believing in yourself, acting with courage, and living confidently. You can do it.